Hello, so let's solve the bots coming from China and messing up your analytics. So we will have two layers of defense. We will use first Cloudflare and then another solution. So we will go now on Cloudflare, and the idea behind Cloudflare is we will block an entire country from accessing uh, your domain at a DNS level, meaning it won't hit your store. Like at the middle, Cloudflare would stop that. So the way it works, we just go on domain, select the domain we want to protect. For example, we want to say this one, and then we will go on security, and then security rules, and then create a rule, custom rule. Here we will select a country. For example, I want to say is equal to, let's say, I want to say China. If it's equal to China, you just hit deploy, and that's pretty much it. Any request coming from China will be blocked. You won't reach your store even. But there is a problem though. This is protecting your store, right? But not entirely, because it's protecting your .com, your brand domain. It's not protecting the my Shopify domain, for example. This one is not protected. So if the bots hit this my Shopify domain instead of your main domain, and sometimes the bots are smart, they can mess up your analytics. So to solve that, I made a solution for you, and I made this app. It's primarily for chargeback blacklists. The way it works is you just blacklist someone, and if he tries to check out another time, he can't do it before it happens. So like blocking serial chargebackers, something like that. But I did add another feature on it, which is regional restriction. And like here, we wanna select a country and block the country. For example, we wanna say Morocco. We wanna block Morocco. Just click add, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now if we go on our store, it will detect we are from Morocco, and it will redirect us to this domain password. And the main idea behind this, what I did it, so you can see on your analytics if someone got redirected to password, it means he is a bot and from the country you didn't want. Okay, anyway, so if we refresh now, we're redirected to the password. And yeah, this is our my Shopify domain, and it works. It's protecting, everything's fine. Okay, so I know you will say, but how about if I bought for example from Singapore, and it's a bot for Google indexing or for Meta? The good news is I already handled that for you. You don't have to think about it. The good bots will not be blocked. Only the bad bots will be blocked. And yeah, also the issue with this solution that I made, I need to be honest about it, is there is two types of bots. There is bots using the browser, and there is bots only for scraping. And the bots only for scraping, they hit the server. They're not using the browser at all. So this solution that I made is good for bots that are using the browser. And the bots that are using the browser are the most dangerous, because they can add to cart things, they can make a bunch of fake abandoned carts, they can make fake orders. There is a lot that browser bots can do. They are the main issue. For the session bots, for the like scraping bots, they usually just hit the server. They don't touch your website at all, and they will create a session. You will see on your analytics there was session, but they can't do anything. They can't add to cart. They can't do anything. They're just scraping. So it's just a session there, and there's really nothing you can do about it. I mean, if they use the Cloudflare, your main domain, they can't scrape. But if they use the My Shopify domain, they can't scrape, and you can't really do anything about it right now, because Shopify needs to make a way to block countries from My Shopify, which is I think not the priority for now. But yeah, I actually they don't harm you anyway, so it's just another session there. If they are smart enough to do it, it's just another session. If they are using the browser, then we got them with this solution. And that's pretty much it. Please, if you have a question, let me know. I will put my email on the description. Have a great day.